How to fix camera shutter lag in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, restart phone. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again, click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, clear camera cache. Now open settings, scroll down. Click on apps. Search camera. Click on camera. Scroll down. Click on storage. Here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see install or update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on factory data reset. Here you will see reset option. Now click on reset. After click on reset, your phone data, videos or picture will be erased, delete or reset from your phone. This is how you can fix camera shutter lag in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.